Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to export your website from Mobirise and upload it via FTP on Windows. First, open Mobirise and select the project you want to export. Click on Publish, then select Local Drive. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to export your website files. After publishing, open the folder to verify that all website files, including HTML, CSS, JS, and images, have been exported correctly. Next, open your website in a browser to confirm that it's live and functioning correctly. And that's it. You've successfully exported your site from Mobirise and uploaded it via FTP using Windows. Your website is now live online. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. See you in the next one.